on, guys? Matt, co-owner of The Time Is Now Design and Build. Today I just wanted to pinpoint some of the cool details within this putting green installation. The main thing that I love about this is just how elevated the entire putting surface is. Then we have our different grasses. We got our fringe grass kind of encompassing the entire putting green, and then our rough along the outside. One of the cool aspects of this putting green that I want to highlight is the way that this green is sloped, which is going to give it a natural golf-like feel, and it's also going to be pitched a little bit from right to left. Just creates like a real natural feel to the green, just like you would see out on a golf course. One of the things I made sure of within the design is that all the hairs of the turf are going this way. That way, while we're chipping, it's kind of like we're chipping with the grain on a golf course so that it doesn't grab the club face. One thing that separates us from most of your turf installing companies is going to be the way that we get this green rolling fast and smooth. This one is rolling about a 10 on the stimp meter, and it rolls extremely smooth. Just give it a little tap, ball rolls smoothly and quick. You guys come from a golfing family, you have kids that golf, you enjoy golf, this is a great way to bond with the family, as well as get in a little practice area for your kids where they don't always got to be taken to the golf course. They can practice right here in the backyard. Appreciate you guys checking out this project with me. This is one of my favorite golf-related projects that we've done. Has every element that you would look for within a golf course. Thanks for watching.
The time is now.